Hello my fellow Fujoshis, I'm back again with another BL News of the Week video. This week we have yet another set of new BL announcements, and I'm telling you the gay gods are really blessing us with back-to-back new BLs every single month. So let's see which new BLs are gracing our screens next year. Taiwanese novel The Witcher will be adapted into a series by the former History franchise CEO. This novel is written by Shi Wu. The story is about an 18-year-old boy who killed more than 10 members of his family and readily confesses to the crimes. He insists on getting imprisoned. There is a policeman who thinks that this boy is innocent, so he reinvestigates the case. 7 years later, a homicide happens at the same place. Later it was found out that this boy had the ability to kill people from a distance. Upcoming Om Fluke starrer Oh My Sunshine Night just held its ritual ceremony. This series is set to release in the year 2022. Om Fluke and the entire cast and crew will be going to the mountains to start the shooting next week. This series will release on the AIS Play app. And let me just say, I'm loving Fluke's new hairstyle for this series. Philippines' first BL musical is set to release very soon on Oxen Films YouTube channel. The story follows Prince Zayn of Zerbania. He is a vivacious prince excited to start his new adventure as the future king. His journey leads to many challenges. One of them is choosing between love and duty. The synopsis is giving me young royals vibe, but the story itself looks very vibrant and fun. And the music is awesome, so I'm excited to see this one. Singto and Tate Darwit starrer Paint with Love has released its trailer. This series will be 8 episodes long and will have its international release on Gaga Ulala. In the trailer, we also get to see a glimpse of the side couple Yoon and Yacht. I think this is Yacht's first role being in a BL couple. I'm excited to see his chemistry with Yoon. Studio Wabi Sabi has released a Between Us special episode only for membership subscribers. However, they will release it for free after a week on their YouTube channel. These stills show that the episode is going to be filled with sweetness and fluffiness. I can't wait for them to release it for everyone because I really missed Born Prem. And I'm not counting the 7 Project episode because that was awful. Korean BL Cherry Blossoms After Winter has started filming. Some behind-the-scenes stills of the filming have been released. Haebom and Taesong are just too adorable. I mean, look at them. They look so cute. Look at their height difference. I literally cannot wait for this show to air soon. This show will release in the early next year. Another Korean BL called Tinted With You, produced by Viki, is coming out soon. This series is a romantic fantasy drama between 2 men who met through a painting. Classic Korean movie Bungee Jumping of Their Own is having a series remake with NCT idol Jaeyoon and Lee Yoon-wook. This movie that released in the year 2001 also has a Thai version called Dew the Movie starring Om Pawat and Not Sadanon. The series is about a high school teacher who is married with kids, but he remembers his lover Tae-hee who died in a bungee jumping accident 17 years ago. He has a student named Lee Yoon-bin who acts and speaks like his old lover Tae-hee. This drama will have 16 episodes with 25 minutes runtime and will release in the second half of 2022. Studio Wabi Sabi announced its next project called Dear Doctor, I'm Coming for Soul. This series will be an Aichi original and will release in the year 2022. The series will star Nut and Khan. I really missed seeing this couple together after Grey Rainbow and was waiting for them to work again. I'm glad we get to see them on screen once again. This love story is about a surgeon and a Grim Reaper. Kinposh the series held its press conference recently. Besides the press con being very fun and entertaining, some important announcements were made. First of all, this series will be an Aichi original and could be seen via Aichi app. Second, it will release in April 2022. And third, the OST will be sung by Slot Machine. Studio Wabi Sabi has announced its next set of TV dramas, and one of them is Absolute Zero the series. This series stars Mix Vanwood and Thor Supercon. This time travel series is about a couple that gets into an accident. One of them travels back in time to prevent this accident, but the accident happens anyway. Thai novel Season of the Lost Forest will be adapted into a series. This series is about a high school student who travels to the countryside to take care of his grandmother. There he meets Chief Hem, a forest ranger. A YouTube web series called The Love That Dare Not Speak Its Name premieres every week on Tuesday and Friday on Gaga Ooh La La as well as on YouTube. The story is about two best friends from college who support each other through tough times but have not yet confessed their love to each other. Comedy BL movie Horthu Take the Fire Escape from COVID-19 is set to release on December 2nd in Thailand cinemas. I'm a big fan of the Diary of Tootsie's movie series, so I'm hoping I'm able to catch this one on some OTT platform later on. Also, the late trailer looks super fun and interesting, so let's hope they make it available to international fans somehow. Long-awaited Perth and Bass starrer movie Tell the World I Love You is slated to release on January 20 in Thailand cinemas. This might become available on an OTT platform in the future, but we might have to wait a while for that. Tell the World I Love You is a story of two friends. Filipino BL Love at the End of the World will air on 30th December on Gaga Ooh La La. This is an erotic suspense thriller series that tells the story of four couples as they navigate through love, pain and loss. And after the reports from NASA confirm that an asteroid is about to hit Earth in 7 days, resulting in a global catastrophe, their priorities quickly change. There is an important update regarding Neelan Dawn the series. The actor Nut, who plays Dawn, is being replaced and all the scenes with Dawn will be refilmed. Hence, this series is indefinitely delayed. Onzon Creative will update us regarding any further updates about this series. Japanese BL My Beautiful Man will premiere on Gaga Ooh La La for international fans from 19th November. The story is about two high school students, one a popular guy and the other one at the bottom of the barrel. So these were some latest updates from the BL world for you. I will keep bringing you weekly updates like this, so please subscribe to my channel to keep up to date with the latest news and happenings in the BL world. Till next time, love you all. Bye.